Hello everyone, welcome to English Now. Our today's video will be practice the exercise in which we'll be practicing the chapter articles, the questions of this chapter and its solution with explanation of the same. In detail, we will discuss. So the video of this chapter article is going to be useful for students who want to make their article chapter better and spoken English learners as well. Everyone is going to be benefited. But before talking about the question, we are going to do the quick revision of the chapter article so that you're able to reach out to your answers easily. Let's talk about it. What articles are? Articles are small words used before nouns to make their meaning clear. Yes, to make their meaning clear, and they're used before nouns. They are called articles. There are three kinds of articles, a, and the, and sometimes they are called only two, and because a and an are used together, and the after this, the second one. So a, and the are the articles. A and an are used for general or non-specific things. So if you're talking about non-specific things, we use a and the for a particular or specific person or thing. So if we're talking about any specific thing, we will use the. Non-specific thing, we will use a and an. So articles help us identify whether we are talking about anything or any specific thing. So if we're talking about specific thing, we will use the, or if we're talking about any random thing, any casual thing, then we will use a or an according to its sound, based on vowel sound or consonant sound. So this is the article. You can look at the screen, read it carefully. After this, we are going to talk about the questions. Firstly, in the part 1 will come 10 questions, and then will come part 2 wherein we shall be discussing answers with explanation of the same. So you have to firstly pause the video, read the questions, make your attempts, and then we will discuss the answers in detail of the same as well. So part 1, which is question section, has come on your screen. Let's start reading that and then make your attempts. Question 1 is, she bought dash umbrella because it was raining. Question 2, I saw dash elephant in the zoo yesterday. Question 3, the sun rises in the east. Question 4, he is dash honest man. Question 5, we visited dash Taj Mahal last year. 6, she is reading dash book that I gave her. Question 7, he wants to become dash engineer. You have to read them carefully and make your attempts. Then we'll talk about question 8, which says dash Ganga is a sacred river in India. 9, I saw dash movie last night. Dash movie was very interesting. 10, he's dash best player in the team. Alright, so these are the 10 questions that you have to attempt, and now I'm expecting that you have attempted your answers, and after that we will be discussing the answers of the same in detail. So what your answers are, you have to attempt, and then we will talk about the answers with explanation of the same in part 2. So let's start doing that. Question 1 was, she bought dash umbrella because it was raining. Which article has been used? Article an has been used with umbrella. Why? Because umbrella begins with a vowel sound, so we use an with this, an umbrella. A vowel sound, umbrella. We have used article an with this. Question 2 was, I saw dash elephant in the zoo yesterday. Dash elephant. So which article we'll use? Article an. Why? Because elephant starts with a vowel sound, so an is used. An elephant. Vowel sound followed by an article. Question 3. Dash sun rises in the east. Dash sun. Which article has been used? The sun. Why the sun? Because there is only one sun. So we use the for something unique. If there's anything unique and one of its kind, we use article the with that particular noun. So noun over here is son. So article has been used the because it's specific. Now question 4 is he is dash honest man. Dash honest man. Article has been used and honest. Why? Because honest starts with a silent H. H does not have pronunciation over here, it's silent. So the sound is O, honest. Hence, article will be an honest man. Question 5 is we visited dash Taj Mahal last year. The Taj Mahal, article will be the. Why? Because famous monuments and unique places take article the. So Taj Mahal is a famous monument and unique place, one of its kind. That's why we have used article the Taj Mahal. Question 6 was she is reading dash book that I gave her. Dash book, article will be the book. Why? Because it refers to a specific book. So the is used. The book that I gave her, we are talking about the book that has already been mentioned earlier, that I gave her. That book, now it has become specific and not random. We are not talking about any random book. We are talking about the specific book which I gave her, that I gave her, the book. Question 7. He wants to become dash engineer. Dash engineer. Article will be an engineer. Why? Because engineer begins with a vowel sound. So an is used. An engineer. Vowel sound a, engineer. So article will be an with vowel sound. An engineer. He wants to become an engineer. Now we'll talk about question 8, which was dash Ganga is a sacred river in India. Dash Ganga. Article will be the Ganga, because we had already discussed in the previous video that names of rivers take the article the. So Ganga is a river, so article the it will take, hence the Ganga will be our answer. Question 9 was I saw dash movie last night. Dash movie was very interesting. Which article will be used? I saw a movie last night. The movie was very interesting. Why a movie and the movie? First time we are using a movie because it has been mentioned for the first time. And then in the second sentence we have used the movie because we are mentioning it again. Now it is specific. We are talking about specific movie. There might be lots of movies, but we are talking about only that particular movie, that specific movie which we saw last night. So the movie. You can see, I saw a movie last night. The movie was very interesting. Hence, this is the answer. Question 10 is, he is dash best player in the team. Dash best player. Which article will be used? The best player. Why? Because best is superlative adjective. Best, greatest, tallest, these are superlative adjectives and they take the with them. Hence, the best player. Superlative adjectives we had discussed earlier as well. So, best, greatest, tallest, these are superlative adjectives and they take the. Hence, he is the best player in the team. This is our answer. Alright, that's all for today's video. We have covered articles, 10 questions. We will come again with another video. Till then, thank you.